This is a brand new fifth wheel RV, and you wouldn't think it, but it did have some damage up underneath it, right here beside the kingpin on the plate. And it was enough damage to the point where it kind of damaged and put gouges in my fairly new Demco Hijacker fifth wheel. And I'll show you that now. But I've already taken a stone and some WD-40 and dressed it down. And just for a few seconds, I'm going to show you the method I use to dress this down. I'll move the camera down and show you what it looks like when I'm running the stone over it. And keep in mind, when this was picked up brand new, I never thought of it, I should have bought the lubrication plate, the plastic slip plate that clamps up under here, and this kind of thing here would never occur. I've already dressed up. The worst part of this, I'm just doing it again to show you what I did. We just shoot a little bit of WD-40 on it, and we'll spray the stone down pretty good and get it on there. I think it works a lot better than a file. A file, you're constantly fighting to get that proper angle. With this stone, it's easy to feel that it's flat. Don't do that too hard, you'll break it. This damage had to happen when the brand new RV was delivered from Elkhart, Indiana to Cincinnati, Ohio by the delivery truck. He had to have a gouge placed in his truck, or most of it originated around this drain hole that was either punched or drilled in this plate at the time of manufacture. But most of the damage was right in here. You could see it. And this done quite a number on my fifth wheel. And I never caught it because as soon as we bought the camper, we went on a 1,000-mile trip with it. And the damage occurred there. The only way that could have happened is through micro motions or micro movement just going down the highway. Because, as I said, I did not have the graphite slip plate. And I probably should have had one on here. So when I was pulling it, it was just steel on steel. Just a stone and WD-40. You can see the damage right here, and there's just some pretty good gouges cut in that, and there's really no sense in that. What really surprises me, that when that kingpin frame, when this hitch is hooked up to the fifth wheel, nothing pivots on this like this. What you're doing is when you turn, you're locked in here on your frame. The kingpin frame is locked into here and here, and the entire thing will turn, and as it turns, it comes back. So the whole box is turning, and as it comes back, it slides backwards via a rack and pinion. A really neat concept. So we'll dress it up with the stone and WD-40, and just see how it does. It even sounds good. I know it's hard for you guys to tell, but I can already feel an improvement. But if I had it to do over, I wouldn't risk this any at all. Just get you one of the graphite friction plates that snap onto your kingpin itself, and it'll ride right here and provide a buffer between your fifth wheel plate and this. And you won't sustain any wear on this plate at all. This is a 3/16 inch plate, and it's welded to another 3/16 inch plate. So you got plenty of steel there. You just got to protect what you have. Now we're going to wipe it down with some degreaser and spray on some slip plate. I'm going to use some brake clean because it's going to dry quick. Okay, we'll go get the slip plate. We've got some spray on liquid graphite, and when it dries, there's nothing there but some graphite. There's a lot of different products on the market. Slippery when dry, graphite lubricant. We're going to go this route and still may end up buying the plate. It's just that I let the only plate I have go with my older RV. Well, that should control rust anyway. I didn't like the way it was starting to rust. But I think I'll get online and go ahead and order a graphite friction slip plate, whatever they call it. It's one of the fifth wheel plates. Some are made out of solid plastic. They're like a 1/4 inch thick. And I don't know if I have enough room in there to allow for a 1/4 inch or not. So I'm going to try to find the thinnest one I can get. Hey, thanks for watching. If you got any comments or any questions, go ahead and ask them in the comment section. And please subscribe.